See the green bush? Look at your dog too now. Look at your dog. Look what's happening. Entirely different than the first time. That's what I'm trying to tell you. That's why we're doing it. Now, the first green bush on the corner, look at him, yell C-O-M-E, and duck behind the bush.
Come!
Again!
Come!
Again!
Come! Good boy! Good boy!
Me? Yeah. You don't get creative here. Go pick him up for me.
Got the baby! Eat the baby!
See the difference?
Good boy! Good boy! Yes! Good boy! Yes! Nice!
Now pick him up, carry him back to the car.
Oh, good job! Good boy!
So what do you see for a difference?
Con! Good boy!
Call again.
Con! Come! Con!
Be quiet. Call.
Con! Good boy! Good job! Come! Good boy!